Welcome back to another video with Kenny Mac B from MoneyPassiveCash.com. This video is about how I got my first sale with affiliate marketing. And stop looking at my hair. Stop it. You know what? Is that better now? Alright. I'm trying to tell you some information. You're worried about the wrong thing. The wrong thing. Alright, well, it started like a year ago, and this will be the shorter version. For the extended version on how I got started with affiliate marketing, I will leave an info card right here, which was my very first video on YouTube. But anyway, I was following this guy who goes by the name of ODI Production for a while, like 4 months. And there was a video where he stated he made $45,000 in 1 week, if I can remember. Or maybe was it in a month? No, I think it's 1 week. And I was like, 45 grand? What? Sheesh. I have to get a piece of that. I have to get a piece of that. So I searched through all this man's videos to see if he had any type of course or, you know, a step-by-step guide, like something. I was looking for something, and I found his passive income lifestyle course. And I know you're like, dang, another guy selling a course. I used to think that exact same way as you do, but I have known and grown to think differently about courses, or just change the way that I think, period. And let me tell you something. Of course, I didn't just jump into the course. You have to understand, I did my research on this guy for a couple of months to see if he was really legit or not. So when I felt confident enough to actually trust this man, I bought his course. Now, before I go any further with the rest of this story, I use money that I personally have saved up, not my emergency stash or the mortgage money, especially not the money that I use to pay bills with. So you can see I was playing it safe. And for those of you that think that you don't have to buy an in-depth course or pay for in-depth information, good luck with getting your free information and actually, you know, getting good results from that. I'm gonna just say good luck. Personally, I think something is only a waste of money if you don't use it for your benefit. So I bought the course, and since then I've been putting what he has done in play. He showed me how to make a review video on YouTube, from how to set the title of the video to how I can use natural light or natural lighting. And of course, to me, getting my first sale. This is how I personally have done it. I would sign up to become an affiliate for a product or a service. Then I would actually use the product or service to learn, you know, how it works. After that, I would make a video about the, you know, specific product or service that I signed up for. Then I will place my affiliate link down in the description box below, after I have described what the video is about. After I did all of that, I moved on to the next phase of, you know, the course. So some time had passed, like 4 months from me taking the course. And what was so crazy about this is I was in my backyard letting my dog out when I received an email message saying, congratulations, you have a credit of $65. I was like, I couldn't believe it. I knew it was 4 months since, you know, the course. I just had a loss of words until I just start saying, yes, yes, it works. it really works. I mean, I know it was real and nobody could have told me anything different, but it's always hard when you yourself haven't done it or haven't achieved it yet. But anyway, I ran into the garage, you know, and up the steps to the kitchen as I kept reading the email out extremely loud. I know I seem pretty chill now, but if you would have caught me, you know, that day, if you would have caught me that day, you probably would have been like, guy, calm down. Calm down. Where was I? Oh yeah. I was reading the email out loud just to be interrupted by my wife saying, what? What is it? What happened? Then I showed her and told her, you know, this is what I have been up to. All that hard work, staying up late, you know, it's starting to pay off. So that is how I got my first sale with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the post notifications so you will be notified anytime I upload. Peace.